be the front of the skirt. This right here is the front of the skirt. I just want to show you because it have the pattern, so it's going to be the front of the skirt. And I have already, this is like the same piece as, this is the same piece, but I split it in half so that we can make this the back of the skirt. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the zipper on it, then attach the front. After I'm done doing that, I will add this piece at the end of the skirt so that it gives it more length. To make this a little even, when I'm attaching the zipper to it, I'm gonna turn it in like this so the stitch is nice. Basically it will be like this. So I will turn it in, do a straight stitch, do another straight stitch, and I'll be back. Alright, so basically the outfit is almost done. We are in a finishing period of the outfit, and oh my gosh, I'm loving. I love the way it looks. It is sexy, it's hot, it's different, fashionable. I just love it. Alright, so you guys saw me did the lining, attach them. Changes that I made to it was just put a titties set. So it's a triangle. I just sew in like a piece of triangle in both sides of the top, and I want to put elastic here so that it holds my boobs, because I really don't have a lot of boobs, and it's sex. Not having a lot of boobs, it's fire. However, it can also be a challenge. So I got these elastic. I've been using these to fill orders for masks on my website. I'm going to use a piece of this elastic and attach them around the edge of the top. So it just gives me a little security up on my boobs area. As you can see, the bottom also is kind of completed as well. We got the zipper in and out. We got the triangle, and this outfit, just like this, it's already fire. So I honestly, I can't wait to see how it looks when I add the extra designs to it. But this outfit itself right now, whoo, sexy. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to introduce you guys to this fabric that I showed early on in the video. And okay, y'all, so I have cut the pieces of the piece that was hanging on the zipper, and I'm going to take this piece, right, this gorgeous fabric, and attach it to the bottom of the skirt to give it more length. Not that I need the length, but it's the design that I'm going for, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'll bring this back.